Hi, my name is Tommy Son and I am a Eagle Scout from Troop 495. We're a Boy Scout troop based in Saratoga, California, and we are one of the oldest Chinese Christian troop in the area. We were founded in 2002 and we're the home to more than 30 Eagle Scouts. Today I'm going to present a short promotional and instructional video for our open house on April 18th, 2021. And today we're going to be doing some cooking. It is one of the things that we do most at camp because everybody's got to eat, and it's one of the easiest things that we can do in this virtual setting. So today we're going to be cooking stir-fried shrimp with corn, green peas, and some bell pepper. I chose this dish because of its really rich Chinese meanings. In Chinese, it stands for 虾仁炒玉米, which is a very traditional dish during Chinese New Year. This is because it stands for 金玉满堂. It has a lot of different colors, right? You have the yellow in the corn, some yellow from the bell pepper, the green peas, of course, green, and we have some red from either bell pepper or carrot or whatever substitute that you might have. This means to bring in a lot more luck and a lot more wealth into your family in the new year. So in this short video, we're gonna see how we're going to make all of that. Sorry that I forgot to mention this in my intro video, but we'll be making this dish as the main open house activity. So for more engagement, make sure that you are able to cook and have the following ingredients: shrimp, corn, green peas, or any green substitutes like I use celery. Something red, I prefer bell pepper because it has a sweet scent, but carrots also work. Some salt, rice cooking wine, vegetable oil, and you'll be set. First step, of course, is to chop everything up and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're ready for you when you're cooking. The most important thing here is to make sure that you cut everything to an equal size so that they will cook evenly and so that you don't get food poisoning. Those are never fun at camp. Oh, and before you get to the vegetables, mix the shrimp pieces up with some rice cooking wine and some salt. This way you can get more flavor into your shrimp. Now we get to the vegetables. I have some celery and bell pepper here, and chop, and we're done. I bet you weren't as fast as me at cutting. Thank God for editing. Anyways, now that you have all the ingredients prepped, we can get you cooking. First, pour a generous amount of oil into your pan. Turn the heat to high or medium high and let your oil sit in the pan for a little bit. Now you just have to wait for a really nice sizzling sound or a tiny bit of smoke coming out of your oil. That means it's hot. Now grab your seasoned and chopped up shrimp and throw them in there. Oh, that was probably a little bit aggressive. Please carefully place them in the oil so that the oil doesn't jump up and burn you. Now, toss the shrimp around the pan until it's red in color. That means it's fully cooked and ready to mingle with the rest of the ingredients. Sorry that the red color probably isn't too obvious in the video, but you should see it clearly in your own pan. Now, throw the corn, bell pepper, and the celery in there as well. Again, toss them around with a spatula for a bit so everything can get to know each other in the pan. Lastly, sprinkle in some salt and add a bit more flavor to everything. And with that, you're done. Make sure that you, after you plate everything, wash your pan and dry it thoroughly so that it doesn't rust. Now for the utmost important step. Take all the pictures that you can of your masterpiece. Show it to everyone, post it on Instagram, or do whatever you like with it. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you make the same dish with me in a few weeks. Bye-bye.